Welcome to What We Cook USA. Today, we're making a classic homemade pizza dough. Soft on the inside, perfectly chewy, and crisp on the outside in just 6 easy steps.
So soft and pliable.
Once you try this,
Hey
you might
everyone,
never go back to store-bought dough again. Let's roll into it. Step 1. Activate the yeast. In a large mixing bowl, pour in 3/4 of a cup of warm water. Just comfortably warm to the touch, not hot. Now sprinkle in 1 packet of active dry yeast, that's about 7 grams. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to feed the yeast. You can also use honey if you like a subtle flavor twist. Give it a quick stir and let it sit for around 5 minutes until you see a light foam forming on top. That's your yeast coming alive and ready to work. Step 2. Mix the dough. Next, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. If you love a chewy crust, you can use bread flour instead. Now mix in 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar,
add 2 teaspoons of sugar,
and a tablespoon of olive oil. Start mixing everything together until a rough dough forms. If you're using a stand mixer, run it on low for a minute. Then, knead on medium-low for about 5 minutes. If you're mixing by hand, stir first, then knead on a lightly floured surface until the dough turns smooth and stretchy. A little sticky is perfect. That means your dough is hydrated just right. Let it rise. Lightly grease a clean bowl with olive oil and place your dough inside. Turn it a few times so it's coated all around. Cover it with a damp cloth or plastic wrap and let it rest in a warm spot for about an hour until it doubles in size. Tip: you can place it inside the oven with just the light on. It creates a cozy spot for the dough to rise. Shape your pizza. Once your dough has risen beautifully, punch it down gently to release the air. Transfer it to a lightly floured surface and stretch it out into a circle. Don't worry about perfection. A rustic shape gives it that homemade charm. If you want to get fancy, tuck some cheese into the edges for a stuffed crust. Add sauce and toppings. Spread a thin layer of your favorite pizza sauce over the dough. Remember, less is more. Too much sauce can make the crust soggy. Now add mozzarella and your favorite toppings, maybe some pepperoni, mushrooms, bell peppers, or fresh basil. Bake your pizza in a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes until the crust turns golden and the cheese is bubbling beautifully. Take it out, let it cool slightly, then slice and enjoy. And there you have it, your very own homemade pizza, fresh from the oven. Crispy, chewy, cheesy, everything a perfect pizza should be. Thanks for watching What We Cook USA. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more homemade American favorites. See you next time. Happy cooking!